Today is Thursday, July 20th, 2023, and there's a severe thunderstorm warning here in Port Huron, Michigan. And it's about 10 after 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Hey Google, what temperature is it Fahrenheit? It is 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Hey Google, what's the humidity? Hey Google, what is the humidity? The humidity is 76% in Port Huron, Michigan. And we have very high winds here right now and very hard rain. And the street lights came on. Right there. And it's been lightning and thundering before it started raining. And the skies look kind of green. That's looking west. There's the Parkway Continental and yield sign. And that is looking south. And that is looking east towards Canada. Okay, I'm going to go now. This is Joanne Marie Rumford from Port Huron, Michigan. Thursday, July 20th, 2023.